These are the must-have apps that you need to have in your Shopify store if you're looking to maximize your sales and increase your profit. Hey guys, Cam here, and in this video, I'm gonna give you my must-have apps that you need to have set up in your Shopify store so that you can make sure that your store makes the sales that it deserves. Also, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. We'll be giving away 1 free year of Spocket. With Spocket, you're able to import fast shipping products into your dropshipping store from the US and the EU. That way you're avoiding long shipping times with AliExpress, so your customers are able to get their products within a timely fashion. At the end of the video, we'll be letting you know how you can sign up. Now look guys, I've been running Shopify stores for years now, and there's so many apps out there that give you a 2-week trial or a 30-day trial, promising you all these benefits and all these features that are gonna help you make sales in your stores. But at the end of the day, all they do is slow your store down. That's why I've come up with this video, so that you guys know exactly what apps you guys need to have set up in your store. At the end of the day, you only need 5 or 6 apps, and each of these apps are gonna do a specific thing to help you maximize your sales. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first app we're gonna get into today is called Looks, or Looks, whichever way you wanna call it. Looks allows you to easily display customer reviews from the actual product themselves and import them directly into your Shopify store. What's also great about Looks is that it easily integrates into emails with just simply a click. So as soon as a customer makes a purchase, they're gonna be reminded to quickly review that product. And it will also incentivize them with either a coupon or a discount that you can offer to help your best customers place their reviews on your store. Lastly, Looks is great for referrals. It seamlessly lets your customers refer their friends or anyone they know might be interested in your products. So guys, when it comes to social proof and reviews, this app is the best and it will help you increase your sales. It's guaranteed. It's a must-have app. I highly recommend it for anyone who's starting a Shopify store. Okay guys, this next app is an absolute must-have, and you've probably heard it a million times before on YouTube, and that's Klaviyo. Klaviyo is the #1 email marketing app for e-commerce stores. And although it's an email marketing app, it really does so much more than just send emails. Klaviyo allows you to target your customers at almost any point automatically using email marketing. You're able to target these customers at almost any point, whether they've abandoned their cart, they've already made a purchase, or they're a previous customer of yours. So let's say someone's purchased a product before, and months after that, you want them to come back to purchase another product. You can do that with Klaviyo. You can also target customers who've abandoned their cart and remind them by giving them a coupon code or some incentive for them to come back and purchase from your store. If you're not using Klaviyo in your store, you're losing on automatic and easy money. So please get Klaviyo in your store. You have to have it set up. If you don't have it set up, you're gonna lose money. Now, this next app is one of my absolute favorite apps. It's one of the easiest ways for you to increase the sales in your store with doing almost absolutely nothing. And this app is called SMS Bump. Now let's be honest, at the end of the day, most people are on their phone 90% of the time. They're not really checking their emails, or it's probably the last thing they do. So if you want to retarget customers, the easy way to do that is through text messaging. Now, just like with email marketing, you're able to target customers at almost any point in their customer journey. You can target customers who've abandoned their cart, retarget previous customers, promote any discounts or offers you might have. That way you're able to automatically increase the sales in your store without having to do really anything. Text messaging has been shown to increase sales by up to 30% of total revenue. Guys, if you don't have this, you're literally missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars. And the great thing about SMS Bump is that it integrates well with Klaviyo. So if you're using an email marketing app like Klaviyo and you're using SMS Bump, you use them together and double that money, baby.
Nice.
Let's go. Now look, at the end of the day, if you want to make more money, you got to sell more stuff. And the best app for doing just that is One-Click Upsell. This app allows you to add products to their current purchase at almost any point, whether it's on the product page, the cart page, the checkout page, or even after they've already made the purchase. One-Click Upsell allows you to sell more products to the customer with just one simple click, hence the name, One-Click Upsell. I mean, look, at the end of the day, let's say you go buy a burger. What do they offer you with a burger? Fries. That's their upsell. This is the same thing with your Shopify store. You want to make sure you're offering your customers products that they might need with their current order at any point, whether that's on the cart page, on their product page, or even after they've already checked out. This is the easiest way to increase your sales. So if you don't have One-Click Upsell installed in your store, you're missing out on automatic and easy money. It's almost guaranteed that you're going to get more money using this app. So don't even think about starting a Shopify store without it. Now, the worst thing you can do for your Shopify store is to have customers waiting around for questions to be answered. Not only will you lose on a sale, but you're going to lose a customer to a different store. And the best way for you to manage all of these questions is using an app called Ghiorghiu. This app combines all your channels into one app. So your Facebook Messenger, your live chat, your emails, all these issues can be resolved under one dashboard. Ghiorghiu also features an FAQ section that you can add on to your store. That way, if you have frequently answered questions that need to be answered, you can simply post them on your store and people can just go ahead and read them without having to contact your team. That's going to increase your sales automatically without having to do any extra work. So if you're looking to maximize your profit and help your customers at the same time, this is a must-have app that you need to have in your store. Now, this last app is one of my personal favorites, and it doesn't matter what you're selling online. If you have any type of online business, this is a must-have app that you need in your store. And this one is called Lucky Orange. This app allows you to watch live views of your customers and past recording so that you're able to see where your customers are dropping off or where they're not purchasing so that you can make the adjustments in your store. So let's say your customer is viewing a certain part of your store. You're able to see whether they're leaving because of the price they're seeing or if it's a certain feature or benefit. And that's going to tell you what you need to improve or what you need to fix in your store. Look, the only way to optimize your conversion rate is by seeing why your customers aren't purchasing. And the best way to do that is using Lucky Orange. It's going to let you see why they're leaving, what part of the website they're leaving. That way you know exactly what to fix. So if you plan on building a real sustainable dropshipping business, you need to have Lucky Orange set up in your store. And there you have it, guys. That's my list of must-have Shopify apps that you need to have in your Shopify store for 2022. Now, don't forget, I'm going to be giving away an entire year of Spocket to one lucky subscriber who likes this video and comments below. With Spocket, you're able to import products into your Shopify store that have fast shipping in the US and the EU. That's right. So you don't have to deal with long shipping times with AliExpress products. For you to be counted into this, all you have to do is subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and share with anyone else you might know who's interested in Shopify so that you can stay up to date with all the content that I come out with here on YouTube. Thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next video.